Latest now on the Alec Baldwin Rust case. His attorneys now claim that New Mexico authorities destroyed the gun that killed cinematographer Lena Hutchins. Kana Whitworth has the story. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, George, good morning. It was a shocking statement. Baldwin's attorney essentially saying that a key piece of evidence against Baldwin couldn't be used. But this morning, the Santa Fe District Attorney's Office firing back, saying that gun still very much exists. This morning, a stunning twist in the criminal case against Alec Baldwin. His attorneys telling a judge that the New Mexico government destroyed the gun that killed cinematographer Lena Hutchins on the set of Rust.
I think I should tell the court that the firearm in this case, that's a great subject of it, was destroyed by the state. So that's obviously an issue, and we're going to have to see that firearm or what's left of it.
A source close to Baldwin's defense team telling ABC News the destruction of the gun is very problematic, calling it a key piece of evidence leading to the involuntary manslaughter charges against Baldwin. Yet a spokeswoman for the New Mexico 1st Judicial District Attorney says the gun still exists and can in fact be used as evidence, speculating that perhaps Baldwin's team was referencing a 2022 FBI report that the internal components of the gun were damaged during testing. It comes just weeks after Baldwin and armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed won a legal victory after prosecutors downgraded the charges by dropping a gun enhancement charge that carried with it a maximum sentence of up to 5 years in prison. You see here video of Baldwin firing blanks from a gun on set 1 week before the fatal shooting. Baldwin insisting he never pulled the trigger during the deadly incident in a 2021 interview with George Stephanopoulos.
So you never pulled the trigger?
No. I would never point a gun at anyone and pull a trigger at them, never. That was the training that I had. You don't point a gun at me and pull the trigger at them.
But FBI testing concluding the gun could not have fired without someone pulling the trigger. Something Baldwin's attorney claims is being misconstrued because of the poor condition of the gun. Now, Baldwin has pleaded not guilty, and his preliminary hearing is set to start in early May. George.
Okay, Kana, thanks very much. Let's bring in our chief legal analyst, Dan Abrams. Pretty startling claim there by Baldwin's defense. I guess it comes down to the definition of destroyed.
Right. It's a lawyer's argument. It seems it wasn't, quote unquote, destroyed. It was damaged in the context of the investigation. And that happens a lot when the authorities are testing evidence. I mean, for example, if you're looking for blood on a shirt, you may look at a little piece and you could end up damaging or destroying the entire piece as part of the testing process. Here it seems there was some damage to the weapon, but it does still exist.
Now, Baldwin's lawyers have already had one of the charges thrown out, and you have a consequential hearing coming up.
Yeah, this preliminary hearing is a mini trial. I mean, this is going to be where a judge is going to decide with witnesses, potentially dozens of witnesses, whether there's enough evidence to send this to trial. And it is not a slam dunk. So I think that that's going to be a very important hearing here. Most would expect, as is usually the case, that a case moves forward to trial. But Baldwin has some serious arguments here in the hope that a judge says, nope, not moving forward.
What else are you looking for right now?
Well, there's another hearing even before that where Baldwin's team is going to try and have the prosecutor here disqualified, basically saying this is a sitting Republican legislator who's also serving as the special prosecutor. That is a violation of New Mexico law. It comes down to the technical definition of what a special prosecutor is, but that hearing is going to happen even before the preliminary hearing.
Dan Abrams, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.